welcome back to another episode of The Hungry Taurian, wherein I'm going to present to you Egg Biryani. Let's begin the process by first taking the basmati rice and soaking it in water for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, you can soak it for a longer time so that the rice is fluffier when it gets cooked. Let's begin the first process of cooking the biryani, wherein we are going to first half cook the rice. I've taken 4 cups of water and added salt into it. Now I shall be adding the other whole spices that I've mentioned in the description and let it come to a boil. Once the entire water has come to a boil, we are going to add the soaked rice into it. Please cook it for only 5 minutes, not more than that, otherwise the rice turns mushy. Strain the water and keep the rice as it is at room temperature. Now let's begin the next process of cooking the eggs. Slice the boiled eggs into half. Meanwhile, let's make a paste of onion, ginger and garlic. Add some water and make it into a smooth paste. Now take a pan and add some oil into it. Add the sliced onions in it and fry it till they turn brown. Take out the brown onions in a bowl and in the same pan add some turmeric powder, chili powder and salt and saute these boiled eggs so that they're evenly coated with the masala. In a deep bottom dish wherein you'll be layering the egg and the rice together, add some oil and ghee and add all the whole spices that have been mentioned. Once you see that the oil has turned fragrant, add the chopped tomatoes and fry for a while. Now add in the onion and ginger garlic paste that we had made earlier and let it saute for a while. Add some salt and mix it well. Now add some garam masala. Time for some turmeric powder. If you want, you can add some chili powder or green chilies at this time. I did not want to add anything. Add some coriander powder and store-bought biryani masala powder. If you do not have a store-bought masala, you can make it at home by adding all the garam masalas together. Add some chopped potatoes if you want. I really like my biryani with some potatoes. If you want, you can totally omit it. Add some plain yogurt. Make sure that it is at room temperature and continuously stir it to avoid curdling. You would see that the potatoes have been coated well with the masala. It's time to add some chopped cilantro. Now comes my favorite part of the recipe. Just layer and spread the rice that we had cooked earlier on top of this potato mix. Now spread some garam masala on top of the rice along with the previously stored and made fried onions. Now place the spice coated eggs on top of it. Just press it a little bit on the rice. Now sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro and mint leaves on top of the eggs. The mint leaves are from my own garden, so it really feels good to bring them to use in the biryani. I prefer adding some orange color on top. If you want, you can totally omit this process. Another ingredient that I love to add if I'm not adding saffron is Kewra water. Just add a drop of Kewra essence in a tablespoon of water and spread it all across. Now add a tablespoon of ghee all across this. Now sprinkle 1/4 cup of water all across the pan and cover it for about 15 minutes to get cooked on a medium flame. Uncover and serve it hot with your favorite raita. Do let me know how did it turn out in the comment section below. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe.